Hi guys, got a review for you today. It is the Allpowers S700 portable power station paired with the solar panel. Now I'm going to be taking you through the good points, but you're going to want to watch this review because I think I've discovered a massive secret that is definitely going to put you off from buying this product. It might seem like a bargain price, but when I take you through the reasons why it might be so cheap, you're probably not going to want to buy it. Let's have a look at the positives first. It comes with solar panel power bank. Now this is up to 100 watts. We'll put it to use in a minute, see what actual wattage we get out of this. It's got two panels on there. It folds open when you're ready to use. Let's unbox the actual power station itself. In here you get your manual on the top. Nicely well protected. Then we've got a range of different chargers. So this is for, what is this for? That looks like a 12 volt charger there. This is your normal one to plug it in the mains. And then you've got the power bank itself, which is very compact. Gives you two AC adapters, multiple USB ports, a couple of DC outputs as well. And you've got multiple different ways to charge it up as well there. There's even a Bluetooth connection, which I've never seen before, so it'll show you the stats on your phone. And then we've got two super powerful LEDs. Well, they don't look so powerful out here, but it's because we're in the bright daylight. So we'll plug this solar panel into it, see what we can get out of it. It's quite a nice sunny day. This should work pretty well. Let's see. So I find this good practice to plug it in first before you open the panel. So as soon as you do that, it's going to be creating electric. Okay, so the panel is fairly good quality. Let's check how much it's charging up by. So at the moment we've got 48 watts, 52, it's going up. See where this gets up to now. Okay, I'm a little bit confused now because it seems to be fluctuating quite a lot. So we got up to 80 watts at one point, and then it went down to 35. And there's no shadows on there, and it's quite bright sunshine. So I would have thought it would have been quite stable. Something is making it fluctuate up and down. But it's charging very quickly. To put that into perspective, you could have, let's say, 50-inch flat screen TV plus 3 mobile phones, all charging at the same time. Will be powered just off that one panel. So that is doing a fantastic job. 85 watts we've got at the moment. Note that I said this is nice and light. It's very compact and small. That is my first problem with it. This is supposed to be 600 watt hours. That is a lot. It's a lot of batteries. This is actually lighter than my 500 watt hours. Now normally you'd be thinking, that's great. Lighter the better. Not when it comes to batteries. Heavier means more capacity. So you'd expect this to be very heavy for 600 watts. Okay, we're going to put it to the test. See if it can power this huge screen. Now, I do like that it's got a safety feature on here. So the DC just comes on with one button, but the AC, you need to hold it down. Fans kick in to keep it cool. Hang on, let me plug it in the other side. There we go. A bit easier to see over there. Okay, I've just turned the telly on. Let's see how much this watts goes up by now. 5 at the moment.
Any children of Violet's maternal aunt and uncle? It looks like only her.
So now we're pulling 60 watts. Absolutely no problem for the power bank at all.
Which is correct.
Okay, let's have a look. So we're pulling 60 watts. We've got 6 hours remaining at that. So 60 times 6, let's think, is 60, 120, 180, 240. You can see my bad math skills here now, can you? 300, 360. So that's 360 watt hours. Huh? That's a bit strange. I thought it's supposed to be 600 watt hours in here. But it's only going to last for 6. Something strange going on there. Maybe we should try something different. Let's try a mobile phone, see if it comes up the same. Might just be a little glitch or something. I'm now going to try and plug my phone in. Let's see how the DC works. So you've got 3 different USBs and one USB-C at the end. So we need to activate it by pressing DC. There we go. Now let's see how many watts this gets up to. So it's taken 8 watts and it's going to last for 40 hours. We'll just double check it with my phone as well. So 8 times 40 hours makes 320 watt hours. Again, this doesn't seem to make sense because both on the box and on the bottom of this it says 606 watt hours. Very, very unusual. The last little comparison I will do. This is a genuine Bluetti 537 watt hours, which is very heavy and quite chunky and wide. So this is apparently more watt hours and it's half the width. Yes, it's a bit taller, but it's lighter. So I think I've proven there why I've got some major concerns with this unit. If I can see something that doesn't seem right, I'm obviously going to say that. So if you want to see more honest reviews like this, hit that subscribe button because there's plenty more incoming. Thanks for watching. Catch you again.